Filming Don't Tell Larry, day 2, bit behind schedule, crazy but good. Here's a CEO sign, which is a sheet of paper, so we will not be using it. This is supposed to be day 8, but COVID outbreak means that there's no filming today. I'm actually in a Walmart parking lot right now, dropping off a COVID rapid test. Fun times. Making a film in a pandemic. Last night there were attacks of coyotes that howled constantly. Lots of coyotes, hogs, and snakes, none of which we want to come face to face with. 7:30 in the morning after a 13-hour day. We lost the process trailer because there's a lightning storm and hail.
Oh, hell no, Texas.
One of the few obstacles we have yet to experience on set is a tornado watch, and so we're gonna be able to check that off the bucket list now.